It's estimated that more than 48 million Americans have battled addiction just in the last year. If you or one of your loved ones is one of those, there is hope. September is celebrated as National Recovery Month, a time to recognize the hope, healing, and possibilities that come with recovery. Here to tell us more about that is Misty Bowen, the Assistant Director of Substance Use Treatment at AltaPointe Health. Misty, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So the theme this year is hope is real, recovery is real. Tell us about that theme.
So that theme highlights that we have millions of people who are in recovery today, and from addiction and from mental health disorders. And so today, this month, we highlight them and their journey. I mean, we know how difficult it is to reach out for help and to get the help that they need, and the work that goes into getting to where they're their best self. And we want to celebrate them on their journey to get there.
On that note, what is the journey like? How do you reach those people? And why is it so important to you as an individual?
So for me, growing up, I grew up in a family where both of my parents suffered from alcohol use disorders and drug addiction. And so from a personal perspective, I saw firsthand the devastation that it caused to them and to us as a family unit. So for me, to be able to, help people who need to reach and find recovery for themselves and for their family members, it's just really important to me to be able to do that and help people.
On that note, let's talk about the resources that are available. What can you tell our audience about those?
So, first of all, I want to say that resources are available to everyone, and regardless of ability to pay. So if you don't have money or you don't have insurance, it's okay, because AltaPointe is here to help. We have our Behavioral Health Crisis Center that is for people who may be experiencing withdrawal symptoms, and it's free to them. So that program is there, it's available to them. And we have medical staff there 24/7 who can help them get the medications that they need so that they can have a safe recovery from whatever medications they're taking. And then we have intensive outpatient programs for people as well. So we have that kind of warm handoff where they can come to us for services and they can take the medications that they need for their recovery journey. And those are low cost or no cost as well.
Getting started, that first step, is often the hardest step for people going through this process. Who do they reach out to at AltaPointe to get this process started on the road to recovery? So,
first and foremost, I want to say congratulations to everybody who is in recovery. We see you, AltaPointe, we see you. And, shout out to our certified recovery support specialists who are helping people on that journey every day. And just call 450-2211. That's it. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, it begins with a phone call. Just pick up the phone and call us. We have a program for you. We want you this time next year to be celebrating your first year in recovery.
That would be amazing. Misty, thank you so much. The phone number you mentioned and the website, we're going to have those on the Studio 10 tab as well on fox10tv.com. Thank you, Misty.
All right.